Okay, so after we managed in the previous video to collect some information about our target, and of course this target was a public target with a lot of information and accessible information. But of course, when you try something like this, you have to replace the username that we have used with your target name, of course. And right now I'm going to teach you another way to perform the information gathering stage and to collect more hyperlinks associated with this person on much more social media platforms. And we are going to use a tool called Sherlock. So the Sherlock, actually, it's a tool. This tool, it's a very famous, actually, between among all of the hackers, because it's actually allowing you to collect a lot of information from a lot of social media platforms. And this is the official hyperlink of this tool. As you can see, this is the official GitHub page of this tool, the Sherlock. And this is how to install this tool. Actually, by default, this tool is being installed in the Kali Linux machine, so don't worry about it. But if this tool is not installed in your Kali version, so you can actually go to this hyperlink right here, okay, and start and following the installation commands and install all of this kind of stuff. Okay, so let's see how you can use Sherlock right here. So after installing the Sherlock, you will just type the Sherlock following with the username that you are searching for. And of course, you can search for multiple accounts at the same time. Okay, so I will open my terminal right here. And I will do the following. I will type this command, and this is actually the same username that we used in the previous video when we were applying this process by using Maltego framework. And right here we are going to use the same way, but using the Sherlock. So I will just click enter and wait until the Sherlock tool is started. So the tool is starting right now to capture all of the social media accounts associated with this username. But you will actually note something very interesting in this tool. This tool actually will collect a lot of hyperlinks from a very big amount of social media platforms. As you can see, not only the normal social media accounts that we all have, but also from a lot of other resources, as you can see. So this is all of this hyperlinks has been discovered for this username only, including the Facebook, all of this kind of stuff. As you can see, the result is 37, so there is 37 hyperlink right here. And as you can see, it's including the WordPress website. So this person is having a blog on the WordPress.com platform. So in the next videos, you will see how actually we can be able to generate hacking hyperlinks for the WordPress, and also for the Telegram, for the Snapchat, Facebook, all of this kind of websites. We will actually generate hacking, phishing web pages for them to compromise and steal all of this kind of accounts.